Hello guys, in today's video I'm showing you how I made this juicy old turkey. So just sit back and enjoy. So I started with washing some of my herbs and I dehydrated them, and here they are. So I'm adding cardamom and peppercorns here to blend it all together. My ingredients will be listed in the caption. So here is some butter, some fruits, some spices. So I combine all that together to form a paste. Once that is ready, I apply a reasonable amount into the turkey and I put in all the stuffed fresh fruits and I apply all the marinade over the turkey. So here it's optional to pin down the thighs and the wings, but you can leave it. Cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate until you're ready to cook. So for the base here, I'm using some lemon slices, some fresh herbs, and broth. And here my turkey is ready to go in the oven. I used the bake option at 350 degree for about 3 hours while the turkey was covered in some mesh cloths. And after 3 hours, I brought it out, marinated it again, and let it sit for another 30 to 40 minutes. I do hope you have a beautiful Thanksgiving and you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know if you have any comments. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.